How to report lost or stolen Bank of America card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can report lost or stolen Bank of America card. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your web browser and search for report lost or stolen Bank of America card. Then you'll find this website by Bank of America. If you open that up, you'll head over to this frequently asked questions section where you will see what if my credit card gets lost or stolen. So to report lost or stolen card, you can first log in into your account into your online banking. So you can do that from here. And after you do that, you can report your lost or stolen card. If not, you can also call to this number right here. So you can call to this number, and after you call to this number, you can basically give them your card details and they will block the card for you. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.